Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful and elegant collection of embroidery designs. All of these embroidery designs are like embroidery motifs, different type of way parts could be created, and the scope is not only limited to this. You can also make these very beautiful floral embroidery motifs or embroidery bunches for designing your cushion covers, cushion embroidery or pillow embroidery, and even these could be designed onto your bed sheets, and your tablecloth could be beautified with the help of these very beautiful patterns of embroidery. So I would request you to do watch the video to end so that you can get all the amazing stylish and beautiful ideas of hand embroidery. But before going into the proper details, I request you to do watch the video to end so that you can get all the stylish and amazing ideas. Guys, if you really like the video, don't forget to like, and if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe my channel, because with your love and support we can only continue to grow. So keep loving us, keep watching our content, and keep supporting us. And if we talk about the embroidery stitches, that guys, for this whole collection of very beautiful embroidery patterns, you can make use of pattern stitch, chain stitch, fly stitch, stem stitch, lazy daisy, French knot, union knot. These are some of the very simple, easy and beginner friendly hand embroidery stitches which could be used to make the whole embroidery pattern. The idea of sharing these creative design ideas is got from my previous videos, into which I have shared beautiful designs for tablecloth, cushion covers and pillow embroidery, and you have been liking them the most. So I thought to make some more collective design ideas. And guys, we never regain someone else's work as a whole. The basic purpose and motive of sharing that you have got that best design of your own. If these designs could be used into mini pattern, then they can equally be used for handmade jewelry, hand embroidered buttons, hand embroidered pendants, ear strands, and many more creativities as per your choice. So you can also make these very beautiful hand embroidered nature inspired patterns onto your hand bags, onto your fabric bags, to give them a more beautiful and creative.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.